Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2M family. I hope you all are doing well. Today I've come with a very beautiful party snacks which is chicken butter garlic. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. So friends, to begin with, here I've got 1 kg of chicken breast and I've cut into small dices. Now I'm going to season this with some salt, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. To this, I'm going to use 1 large tablespoon of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And here I'm going to add now 1 egg white. Now let's give a good mix. Now once well mixed, let's keep this aside now. So in a frying pan or a wok, take some oil. Now let's fry the chicken. We're going to turn the chicken. We are frying this chicken until slightly golden brown. So we're going to fry this chicken in batches, and once slightly golden brown, we're going to get them off and keep it aside. So now in the very same wok, I'm going to take another tablespoon of oil, and here I'm going to add a large piece of butter. Now that the butter has been melted, here I've got finely chopped garlic. This is 1 pot of garlic. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of finely chopped capsicum, a little bit of spring onion shoots, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Let's fry this for a few minutes. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour slurry. I've added some water to this. Now let's add some chicken, a little bit of spring onion on top. Now let's give the final mix. So friends, our chicken butter garlic is ready now. Enjoy this with your family. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching us doing this recipe. And if you've really liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.